What's up, everybody? D'Angelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I wanted to give you guys an update on the Amazon Flex. So last video I had made, it was $3,500 in the course of 15 days. I did it for a total of 22 days and ended up making $5,066.50. And I'll show you guys the payment proofs here in a second. I wanted to go really hard this month right here, but yeah, things just got busy for me or whatnot, so I couldn't do it at all. I think I did maybe like I don't know, maybe like 5 routes this entire month so far. So yeah, been pretty busy. So yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do it this month. So I'll try again for next month. And well, no, I'm gonna be busy next month too. Got like 2 vacations planned. But anyway, I'm gonna try it one of these days, and just really try to max out how much money you can make. I'm guessing it's around like 6 to like high 8, or I should say high 7. That's why I'm guessing that the market is going to be between, if you just go and do every route that you can, you go and you like work the maximum amount of hours that it'll let you. I'm thinking you'll cap out around 7, or somewhere around that area, in my opinion. But I don't know. Obviously, that's why we got to test it out. But yeah, for 22 days, $5,066.50. If you guys didn't watch my last video that I put up, make sure you go watch that video. It goes over how I made $15,000 in 4 days. So yeah, if you haven't checked that out, definitely make sure you go watch that. But let's jump into these payment proofs real quick. Alrighty, guys, so here goes all of the payment proofs here. So as you guys can see, I really don't do any that's under $100. So as you guys can see right here, 140, 130, 110, 165, 117. And a lot of these only take like 3.5 hours, 2 hours. I've had some where some of these are free. Like there's probably about a good, I want to say anywhere from 5 to 10 of them that was like all free, because if you show up and there's no routes for you to do, they literally just pay you just for showing up. So there goes one for 190, 190 again. So as you guys can see, for the most part, I really don't do any that's under $100. So just a little tip right there. And that is pretty much it, for the whole thing. But that's all. I'm telling you guys, this is stupid easy money. If you haven't done it yet, definitely recommend it. So there go the payment proofs right there, guys. This is extremely easy. I mean, in my opinion, this is one of the easiest ways you can make money offline. All you do is just get the packages from the factory, put the package on the porch or the customer's house, take a picture showing that you delivered it, and then you do it over and over and over and over and over again until you're done. And then, at least in my area, in my experience doing this, you don't get anywhere near as many packages as when you're doing the Amazon DSP. So when you go that route, I was delivering like anywhere from low end 200 something to high end 400 something packages, and then you're out there all day long. This right here, you get a 5-hour route for $211. It might take you 3 hours to complete it. It really is just that simple, But anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. And again, this is extremely easy money, guys. If you need some extra money, to get your business started, to get into the flipping, to get in, to buying a course, to do some software, or, whatever it is that you want to do, this can fuel it pretty easy. You will literally go from 0 to thousands of dollars in like 2 to 3 weeks.